How to check if someone blocked you on Snapchat. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways that you can be sure that somebody has blocked you or not. So first thing first, you have to launch your Snapchat, get logged into your account. Tap on chat section, you will see all the people that you have chatted with. Now tap on three dot icon, tap manage friendships. Now if you have been chatting with that person frequently, you will be able to see their name right at this section. If you don't see it here, that is also a suspicion that they have blocked you. Now, here is another way you can be sure. Tap on the search bar icon, type in the name of the person. If you don't find it, that is a strong suspicion they have definitely blocked you. If they have just unfriended you, you will be able to see it, and you will also see ad. Now, if they have blocked you, you will not be able to see their name, neither their username. Just like so guys, this is how you can be sure. Thank you all for watching. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.